Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent or stop Windows 10 from turning off the display on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result, should come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. Up at the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and select the large icons. And now on this page, you want to go down and select where it says Power Options. And select whatever plan is currently selected here. Select the corresponding Change Plan Settings hyperlink. And then where it says Turn Off the Display, you can click the drop down and you can select Never and then select Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.